check out this this ramp real quick before we go down, just to make sure it's clear of anything that can either damage the boat or the rig. Like this log right here, we might want to try to move it out the way. Also this huge rock, so make sure we don't slip here. All these can damage people's tow rigs and expensive ass boats. We're gonna try to release everything else that holds it. Like I said, we're gonna make a lot of mistakes here, but mistakes are good because that's how you learn and perfect your craft. First things first, we're gonna get this bow line. All right. So I guess this is the operation of launching solo. And we're gonna get these lines out of here. We're gonna release this bow line right here. Release that. I think we may need to back it in a little bit more. Now we're gonna that's all we needed to do, is get as much slack as we can and then unhook it. So I didn't really need to pull for it. Okay, so cool. So that part's done. Let the fender guard do the work. Just slide it all the way back here. And I think this will do it right here. Okay, so now we're gonna tie a cleat. Okay, so I'm not sure if I did that right. I literally just learned that the other day. Okay, maybe there's too much slack here. Okay, that's too much slack. So we want to tie this thing first. Alright, let's get back, let's get on board. Just make sure this thing works. Trim down. She's on. I wonder if this kicker should be higher. Is it supposed to be dipping in the water? Not quite sure. Let's try to pick it up anyway. That's the highest it can go. Yeah, just make sure it doesn't die, because we'll be in bad shape in this weather if we get stuck out there. So now this is idle. Anyway, the cleat stayed nice and tight. I think we're gonna loosen from here. And then once we loosen this stern line, we gotta quickly put on reverse. Okay, so there we go. Oh man, I'm finally on an Arima. This is like a dream come true. Man, I see rain way out there. Okay, we're just gonna put it on slow idle. You don't dangle. That should do it. Motor is sounding really good. Don't want to jinx it though. Just make sure we're not leaking from underneath. So we're gonna run the bilge pump to see if anything comes out. All right, man, we're boating. Okay, what else do I need to know here? Okay, so everything is working properly.
So the GoPro died, and we're in the middle of a rock wall right now, and man, the boat's running great. It's running amazing. Don't want to jinx it though. Motor's running good. I don't know if y'all see that towards San Francisco, but the weather's looking like the day after tomorrow. Don't know if y'all seen that movie, but it's looking kind of crazy out there. '87 Arima Sea Chaser 17-footer with a 100 Merc 2-stroke outboard and a 7.5 kicker. This is a boat that I acquired a couple weeks ago in Lake Wenatchee, Washington. Today's the first day that we actually got to launch it out here in the bay, and couldn't be more happy that this is happening right now. I don't want to get caught up in that thing, so I probably should, you know, do a little bit more cruising along that side, and then we're going to keep you updated in a bit. My GoPro died, so now I'm using my phone. So we made it back on the dock, and those clouds just got closer and closer. So I think we came out here at a perfect time, and now we gotta get this trailer and do this step. The rain is coming, so. Oh man, fun times. Look at this. The clouds just literally got to us right when I'm about to retrieve it. And hey, this is all part of the fun, man. Hopefully we don't get sick though. All right, now let's try to learn this operation. Trying to bring it back up to the trailer. So here we are. We got it off the water. It's pouring like crazy. I think we came here at the right time. We got off the water at the right time, learned everything that we needed to learn, did a quick shakedown, everything works. Yeah, I figured out how to launch solo, retrieve it back solo. Man, I can't wait to, you know, put this boat through the bay and through the ocean.